Hey everybody, so I just wanted to give a little explanation here for the Symbiosis Slideshow assignment. So this is another one that goes directly along with the slideshow, so most of the questions are from the slideshow itself. So here we have a few different examples of different types of symbiosis. All that you need to do is state whether or not you feel like it is parasitism, so to where one organism only benefits and the other organism is harmed by the first one, mutualism, where both organisms benefit, or commensalism, where only one organism benefits but the other one isn't really harmed or negatively impacted. So each one is set up in the same order that it is in the presentation. So like leech and human is the first one. So again, if you're looking at the slideshow, it directly corresponds with those slides. So here's that first one of that set. So again, you'll just be labeling for each one of those. And then there's two reflection questions down here at the bottom. Number 9 here. Do you feel like these types of symbiosis fit with our concept of survival of the fittest? This whole idea that organisms compete with one another and only the ones that are the strongest would survive. So why or why not? Do you think that this whole idea of two organisms working together or maybe working against one another fits in with it or doesn't fit in with it? An organism depending on another organism like that. Then with number 10 here, do you feel like humans have any mutualistic relationships with other organisms? So again, mutualism is where both organisms benefit. So think about, do you think that there is a relationship where humans and then another organism species that we interact with both benefit one another? We give a benefit to that species and that species gives a benefit to us. So you pick one of the two options here. If yes, describe the mutualism between the human and the other organism. Talk about how that relationship works. If no, describe how an interaction between a human and another organism might benefit the human, but does not benefit the other organism. May or may not exactly be parasitism per se, but something where we benefit but the other organism doesn't, but another interaction that we have with that organism. So again, I hope that this assignment makes sense. If you do have any trouble with it, please feel free to call me, email me, or you can head into our science department office hours every weekday, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m.